Who are we? You might even question, why are we? We are here to bring your vision to life, assist you in reaching your goals, and help you achieve what you dream of. We'll make you earn the standards and procedures that our sector requires to function securely, safely, and sustainably. We are Starflyers, here to shape the future of aviation. Aviation, an activity of flying aircraft or designing, producing, and maintaining them. India will be the third largest aviation market by 2025. More than 36 million aviation employment will be generated in 10 years. Many international airlines state their domestic operations in India. And Starflyers Aviation Academy is here to shape a sustainable future in the aviation industry. We are here to train every individual under aesthetic guidelines and authentic placements. Starflyers Aviation Academy is an IATA authorized and JNTE affiliated training center. Our keen-oriented academy offers a variety of courses, from providing loans to making you an expert in the field. We have made great strides in the courses: cabin crew training, ground handling, customer services, hospitality, and travel and tourism training, soft skill and English fluency training, swiftly becoming experts in this industry. Cabin crew. You will examine several facets of training for cabin crew, including dealing with the customers, providing first aid, and handling emergencies. Ground handling. This department is responsible for carrying out passenger service tasks, such as staffing the check-in desks for departing passengers and the arrival and the departure gates. Hospitality. We discuss extending hospitality. Professional training will be provided in establishing and maintaining strong connections with internal and external departments, as well as open line of communication. Starflyers Aviation Academy equips you with job assistant with interviews in the aviation industry after the course completion. The placement cell will provide complete interview assistance by conducting mock sessions and special training for voice accents, providing students with the tools to reach their goals in industries such as Indigo, SpiceJet, AirAsia, Akasa Air, and others are the challenges we keep giving to them. Now, we are one of the most well-known aviation academies around the country to come out of Hyderabad, specialized in the areas of job-oriented training assistance in the airport, airline, travel, tourism, and hospitality sectors. Our vision is to be recognized as the most innovative training, development, and research institutes for aviation industry. Due to an increase in the industry demand, Starflyers Aviation Academy is considered one of the fastest growing aviation academies involved in the airport operations and advanced air cabin crew. Your dreams matter in living throughout the journey, be it in cabin crew or in air ticketing. Starflyers Aviation Academy. A journey begins.